Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome crashing problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, right click on taskbar, then select task manager. On this window, we need to simply select run new task, then click on browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out system32 folder, simply open it, then find out cmd.exe file. Here it is, just select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now on this window we need to just type some commands. So type in sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Then once done, we need to type exit to close the command prompt window and simply move to the next step. Go to run. We need to press Windows key plus R together, or you can simply search run from the search bar and click here to open it. Now from here we need to type some command, %app data. Okay, my bad. We need to type in %local app data, then type %google /chrome, and you can simply select from here, then click on OK. It will open a new window, so right click on user data and you can simply select delete. We need to delete this. So after that, close this window. Now we need to open Google Chrome web browser. So once you are here, we need to click on these three dots from the right top corner and open settings. So click here and click on settings. Once you are here, we need to select system, then turn off this option and click on relaunch. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.